This is the lift at TK Maxx in Eastbourne. It's going to be an Otis Gen 2.
Going up. Doors closing.
Door close button does work like that. Capacity 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. Built in 2014.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
It does not park on ground. That's unusual.
Ground floor. Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing.
This is the lift at Matalan in Eastbourne. It's another Otis Gen 2. Capacity 13 persons, 1,000 kilos.
First floor.
Built in 2006.
Going down. Doors closing.
This is an older model. Very nice.
Ground floor. Doors opening. Doors closing.
This is the lift at Sports Direct in Eastbourne. It's a Stanner lift.
Lift going up.
Capacity 8 persons, 630 kilos. Don't know when it was built because
Level 1.
the old label's been covered up.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going down.
It's a hydraulic.
Level 0. Doors opening.
This is the lift at Next in Eastbourne. It's going to be in Oakland.
Going up. Ground floor. Mind the doors, please.
Capacity 13 persons, 1,000 kilos.
Lift going down. First floor.
I'll order online, yeah, it's fine.
Mind the doors, please. Lift going up. Ground